Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a message or comment pop-up effects in your video on CapCut. So first you need to screenshot the message or comment first. Maybe it's on TikTok, Instagram or any other social media. Then open your project in CapCut. Go to overlay, then add the screenshot that you just saved. Okay, so in here you can also go to edit first, then crop the image to make it looks better. Okay, for example like this. Oops. Okay, after you crop, just click on a check icon and then put it to where you want, for example in here, and then just go to animation and then find the slide down animation. Okay, this one, click on a check icon, and then after that you can also add audio, but first I'm going to go to blend and lower the opacity so that it looks more natural. I'm going to go with 60. Let's see. Okay, just click on a check icon and now go to audio effects, and here search for check pop. So but you can also use any other sound that you want. Okay, so here is the check pop. Click on the check icon, then adjust it. Okay, and now you are done with the message or comment pop-up effect. Okay guys, so that's all from me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, and also comment. Bye.